The fecal-oral route is one of the most common ways that foodborne disease is spread, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Germs from feces, human or animal waste, enter someone's mouth, usually through contaminated food, water, or dirty hands. Let's break down this chain step by step. Pathogens, faeces, hands, food, eaten, infection. It starts when pathogens such as E. coli, Salmonella, Shigella, Hepatitis A, or Norovirus are passed out in feces. If the person doesn't wash their hands properly after using the toilet, those germs can stay on their fingers. When they prepare food, those same germs transfer onto the food. When that food is eaten, the bacteria or viruses enter another person's body, causing infection, vomiting, and diarrhea. The same can happen when contaminated water is used to wash food or utensils, or when flies land on feces and then on food. Although invisible, this route of transmission is powerful and fast. Just a few tiny germs can infect hundreds of people if hygiene breaks down in a food business. To prevent it, always wash hands thoroughly with soap and warm water after toilet use. Use safe, clean water for cooking and cleaning. Maintain strict personal hygiene and exclude ill staff from food handling. Keep toilets and food prep areas clean and separated. By breaking even one link in this chain, you stop the spread of disease and protect your customers and community. Each sentence can be long if the input requires it, but must not exceed 30 words.